Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, simplify, streamline, standardize and digitalize to bring about more transparency, advises CEO RSP while inaugurating Vigilance Awareness Week observation. And highest single day average power generation record set by CPB3 of Rourkela Steel Plant. Now the news in detail. Simplify, streamline, standardize and digitalize to bring about more transparency, urged Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, while addressing at an inaugural function of the Vigilance Awareness Week 2020 on 27th October. The program was organized in blended mode. While a central program was organized with few participants at the HRD Center adhering to the COVID-19 protocol, the CEO, Executive Directors, CGMS and HODs joined online. Notably, every year Vigilance Awareness Week is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Bharat Ratna, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In his address, the CEO paid tributes to Sardar Patel and said, the legendary statesman was an embodiment of virtues like honesty, integrity, courage, trust and transparency. Elaborating on the theme of this year's observation, Satark Bharat Samruddha Bharat, that is Vigilant India, Prosperous India, Mr. Chattaraj said that SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant being a PSE unit, has an important role to play in this regard. We have to not only work fair but also have to be seen as fair. He stressed upon the need of meticulous compliance to the laid down procedures, appropriate record keeping and knowledge about the rules, regulations, SOPs to avoid undue vigilance, entanglements and bring about consistency in the decision making process. At the same time, he also highlighted the need of revisiting the rules, regulations, procedures, guidelines, SOPs for strengthening the good governance practices in the company. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, highlighted the importance of exhibiting transparency and integrity in day-to-day work for better work culture and governance. Mr. Rajbir Singh, ED P&A, stressed upon the need of creating public awareness at large about the values espoused by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to bring about self-discipline and positivity. Citing various practices adopted by the Materials Management Department, Mr. D.K. Mohapatra, EDMM, said, honesty is a way of life. If practiced, it has the potential to create healthy work environment within the organization. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, congratulated the Vigilance Department for their constructive role in guiding the company and urged everyone to emulate the values of the Iron Man of India. The inaugural function commenced with the administration of integrity pledge by Mr. P.K. Das. Mr. A.C. Rathi, CGM Vigilance and ACVO welcomed the gathering. Mr. V.K. Yadav, GM Vigilance, read out the message of the Honorable President of India. Mr. Sanjay Kumar, DGM Vigilance, read out the message of Honorable Vice President of India. Mr. J.P. Shukla, AGM Vigilance, read the message from Honorable Prime Minister of India. And Mr. S.K. Senapati, Manager Vigilance, presented the message of Central Vigilance Commissioner. Mr. J.P. Shukla proposed a formal vote of thanks, while Ms. Ankita Belung, Manager, CP2, was the anchor. The captive power plant 3 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has set a new record in single-day average power generation by producing 46.70 megawatt of electrical power on 26 October 2020. Notably, on 6 August 2020, the unit had set a new record in single-day power generation by producing 45.61 megawatt of electrical power, and the very next day, that is on 7th August, the unit broke this record to create another new one by generating 46.48 megawatts of power. It is worth mentioning that Captive Power Plant 3 consists of steam turbine generators in power blowing station, top recovery turbine generator and back pressure turbine generator. The back pressure turbine generator also generated 5.08 megawatt of electrical power on the same day, which is the highest daily average since inception. These outstanding achievements were possible through a number of incremental system improvements like arresting steam leakages, use of exhaust steam in the deaerators in BPTG, increasing the efficiency of the boilers, enhancing the vacuum in condensers in STGs and in turbo blowers by changeover of ejectors, enhancing the reliability of major power plant equipment and related auxiliaries, rationalization, optimization and balancing of steam generation in boilers and their effective utilization in turbine generators and turbo blowers. Also, the BPTG was operated at a higher range of steam utilization and exhaust steam was effectively utilized in deaerators. Amidst the pandemic due to COVID-19, these are remarkable achievements considering the fact that this record power generation was done in addition to the continuous supply of the required coal blast volume of 3,20,000 Nm3 of air with pressure of 4.10 kg per centimeter square to blast furnace 5 for hot metal production and necessary steam for RHOB processes in steel melting shop 2. The record-breaking spree of CPP3 was made possible with the collective support and efforts of Energy Management Department, blast furnaces, CDCP, Instrumentation Department, etc. And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.